Okay, to make your pepper sunflower sneeze prank, you're gonna need to take your sunflower. Do you want to know why you need to use a sunflower? Because it has a black middle. And pepper's black, and the middle of the sunflower is black, right? So yeah. So take your pepper. So you have pepper. See, I'm using black pepper. So first, just take your sunflower. So I've taken my sunflower. Take my pepper. Going pepperify it. Pepperifying. So you can see that I've pepperfied it. So my whole family knows this prank. So I'm gonna have to try it on myself. I'm gonna regret this. But here goes. Oh God. So that is a perfect prank to prank your brother or sister, because they will have no idea. It's perfect prank to do on your friends too. Or if there's any like teenagers watching and they're boys, perfect for your girlfriends. So yeah, that's the end of my video for today. And next Monday, I will be showing you. Wait, how about this? Next Monday, I won't do my video because tomorrow I might be going somewhere special, which I can bring you along. My mom said. So yeah, I will be taking you guys somewhere special tomorrow instead of doing one on Monday. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you want me to do next Monday. Because, you know what? I will be nice. I'll give you a video tomorrow and on Monday. How does that sound? So yeah, comment down below what you want me to do on Monday. Bye.